Welcome! In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to enable app icon badges specifically for memories on Messenger. If you've ever missed a notification because the little badge didn't show up, this guide will help you fix that problem quickly and easily. Let's get started. The first step is to go to your phone's settings. Don't worry about opening Messenger just yet. Everything we need to change is inside your device settings. Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll until you see the section labeled Apps. Tap on that to bring up a full list of the apps installed on your phone. Next, find Messenger in the list. You may need to scroll a little, but once you spot it, tap on Messenger to open up its app settings. This is where you'll be able to fine-tune how notifications and features work for the app. Now, from inside the Messenger app settings, tap on Notifications. This section controls all of the alerts, sounds, and badges that appear for Messenger. Once you're in, you'll see a breakdown of different notification categories. That's where we need to go next, so tap on Notification Categories. Within this list of categories, look for the option labeled Memories. This is the specific notification channel that handles reminders and highlights from your past conversations and photos. Tap on Memories to open its detailed settings. Here's the final step. Toggle on app icon badges. By turning this on, every time there's a new notification from Messenger Memories, the badge count will show right on the Messenger app icon. This makes it much easier to spot when something new is waiting for you without having to open the app. And that's it. You've successfully enabled app icon badges for Memories on Messenger. From now on, you'll always see a visual indicator directly on the Messenger icon whenever Memories sends you a notification. It's a quick fix that makes staying updated more convenient. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a try on your own phone and enjoy a smoother notification experience. Thanks for watching.